I believe I'm getting older and older. New terminology that is sneaking up on me daily. I just learned earlier this word SJW, Social Justice Warrior. I didn't know there was a job for that. I would have applied long ago. I'm not sure if there's any money in it. And then what is the new term? To be woke? Woke? Cannot spell correctly, so then you must be it. Interesting. It's very interesting to me, the world we live in. I love it. You know, sometimes, or actually when I grew up, I had a huge fascination with Elvis. I grew my hair in high school. I got Brill cream and I combed my hair that Elvis cowlick style. And I was the laughing stock at school, me and my friend both actually. But, you know, we went through that phase, we weathered it and we loved it. And I always had this fascination of living in the 50s and being in that era. But when I look at where I am today with all the craziness going on, I still won't trade it, you know, with social justice warriors just around the corner ready to bash me down to ground if I say something improperly. I'll take it, you know, it's just how the world is. The other word is social distancing. This is the new thing with the coronavirus. Social distance is to keep an arm's length of at least meter distance between you and other people on the street. And I see there are cinemas now in the States that actually will provide you with screenings where there are seats between you and other audience members. Fascinating. Okay, enough of that. The last little complaint I have is waiting for a package. It reminds me of a cartoon from Calvin and Hobbes where he's waiting for a package to arrive. This thing was supposed to be here 5 days ago, March 13th, and it says in transit to next facility. It tells me absolutely nothing. Can't wait, right? I know, I'm pretty sure you know that feeling where you're just waiting for something and it should have been here and you have no idea where it is. Likely in South Africa, it's stuck at customs. They just love to get their greedy little taxing hands on anything that enters the country. Two things that I quickly want to address in this video, so this is not a tutorial or anything, and that is that, you know, when I often look at all the videos, it becomes quite a mess. And things change, we do updates and new things roll out. Brizy Cloud is suddenly on the scene very prominently. And you have the playlist there, but that's also sometimes a little bit confusing. What I've done is I've decided to actually go to our Brizy Cloud Builder and open a site there, wherein I will archive and list all the videos we are working on. So you can also have a look then at what's going on there. And this is learnbrizy.brizy.site. So I'm using one of those subdomains that Brizy provides for you if you're a Brizy Cloud member. So if you go to the site and it's under construction, so don't be underwhelmed when you see what's going on here. There is currently Brizy Builder and we'll build these tabs out with more to come. And then here we have the elements currently, and I've just recently done the timeline. So if you go to Pro and you click on Timeline, it will give you the videos here. All the videos will be here, all the videos here, and then for WordPress plugin, as well as Brizy Cloud, as well as others, I'll add the tabs, everything in one corner. So remember, learnbrizy.brizy.site. I'm not going to add individual video links in the descriptions anymore because that's quite tedious and it's very difficult to keep track of all of that. I'll add them all here, and as new ones are released, they'll be added here. And as it says here in the upper claimer, for the disclaimer, only videos from 2020 featured here. So I'm not adding the old ones. They are getting very archaic very soon. Then the last one, I've had a number of people asking me on YouTube for my contact details, where they can find me. If you're on the Facebook community, you can probably find me there and send me a private message on Facebook. On the other hand, if you want to reach me, you can do so now at learnbrizy.brizy.site. Go down to the bottom, click here to send me a message, and just fill in your message there. Like I said, this is still under a lot of construction, but because it's a functional site, I'm not going to care too much about the bells and whistles. Just make sure that the videos are there, and as new videos roll out, I'll add them here as well. This is the 17th of March, almost 3 months of the year, totally over, a year that's going to be remembered for a very, very long time in the memories of all of us dinosaurs that are still on the social justice warrior path. This is JP. Have a great day.